What's good, YouTube? It's your girl KT, and I'm back with another video reviewing the Panda Express app. Once you've downloaded the Panda Express app, it'll take you straight to the homepage. Now, on the homepage, there's a couple of different things. In the bottom left-hand corner, you have 4 different icons: home, rewards, account, and order. There's a couple of different things that you're gonna see on the homepage. Now, one of these things are Panda rewards. You'll see that they have a family deal, a Panda Club meal deal, and if you want to get your Panda delivered to you. If you watch any of my videos, then you know I always recommend creating an account. This way you can earn reward points. The reward points are broken down into 3 sections. Step 1, order in person or via the app. Step 2, collect Panda points with every qualifying purchase. Step 3, by earning reward points, you unlock rewards for more Panda favorites. To start earning reward points, hit join today. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, hit the sign up now button. If you don't want to enter in all of your information manually, go ahead and click sign in with Google. Go ahead and type in your first name, last name, and email address. And now that you've done that, hit send code. Within 2 to 3 seconds, you should get an email verifying your account. Once you've entered in your code, hit verify code. Now that you verify your code, go ahead and create a new password. Once you've done that, hit create my account. Another reason why you would want to create an account is because the app will offer you exclusive deals just for being a rewards member. And now that we're back at the home page, let's start our order. When ordering your food, you have 2 options: pickup or delivery. You can search your location or you can use my location. When you hit use my location, this will let the app track exactly where you are and see where the closest Panda Express is to you. You finally made it to the menu. There's a lot of different options you can choose from. But for this example, I'm gonna select the family meal deal. With the family meal deal, you get to select 2 sides. Now, I'm gonna select chow mein for the first one, but I also want rice. So to do this, I'm just gonna hit the minus sign, and that way I only have 1 of chow mein, and then I'll select 1 fried rice. For step 2, choose your entrees. Once you've selected your entrees, go and hit add to order. With pickup details, you have 2 options. You can either hit ASAP or later. Now with ASAP, you can select the time that you want and then pick up your food. If everything looks good with your order, go ahead and hit checkout. This is where you'll review your order's final details. So if you want to add or change anything, this will be the place to do so. If you want to go ahead and add a tip, you can go ahead and choose the amount that's up there. If you don't like the numbers that you're seeing, you can hit other and enter in how much you would like to tip. If everything looks good with your order, go ahead and add your payment method and hit checkout. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.